to Scott Tweedy, who is at the Home Show now in Sydney. Scotty, you found a solution for all those millennials who can't afford to buy their own homes. This better be good.
Well, I think I have found the solution, Sarah Harris. Have a look at this beautiful home here. This is called a Big Tiny. Now, it's a one bedroom upstairs that sleeps two. You've also got a sofa lounge here which sleeps another two. This beautiful kitchen and a bathroom in here. Believe it or not, this is on top of wheels right now. I'm just going to do a final... 500, there you go. So anyways, this is an amazing home which only costs $85,000 and you don't need a council approval for it as well. Wow. You also can fit a water tank on it. You can put some solar panels on top of it so you can be completely off the grid. It's got a compost bathroom. So that's the one that sleeps 4. And if you look at this one over here, this actually sleeps 2 people and it is beautiful. This one comes like a flat pack, almost like an IKEA pack. And you can put this up in 2 hours with 3 guys. So you can have this. Imagine pulling up anywhere on the coastline in Australia and inside your window you're looking out to this beautiful sunset or sunrise in Australia. These are literally the homes of the future. But there's one more I want to show you. It's a much bigger one, a grander scale as well. Just while we walk there, these tiny homes, it's got me thinking actually, a bit of a weird question, but if a tiny person plays mini golf, is it real golf? I don't know. Anyway, minor details. So let's have a look at this home here.
Oh, it's a two-story.
This home here, it is beautiful. So this is the 3-bedder. This sleeps 6 people inside of here.
Like
so
Hollywood.
You've got this wonderful. Quick, come on up in here. I reckon we've got enough time. Yeah, look how beautiful it is. Remember, this is on wheels. So this is like a glorified granny flat. Remember, no builders at all. You can get this on your home, on your land in like 45 minutes. You've got a bedroom up there. Sleeps a couple of people over here. This has got the master bedroom as well downstairs here, and then you can also get another 2 people upstairs. But look at the beautiful finishing of this as well. So are these the homes of the future? Potentially. If you've got a big block of land as well, these are great for Airbnbs. You can have people and come and stay on your land. So this is unbelievable. If you want to see more of this, we are at the Sydney Home Show. It's here until Sunday. But one of these, guess how much it costs? Have a guess, guys. See if the price is right.
$5 grand.
No, hang on. You said the smaller one was 85.
100,000?
200,000.
This one, 88,000. 88.
Scotty, where am I putting my shoes?
88,000 for this.
Where do you put the shoes?
Where am I putting my shoes?
That's less than Jono's car.
Yeah.
Your shoes will go
I bet.
in here. I reckon you can put like a shelf of shoes there, there and there. Or even put your shoes down in that cupboard there. So there actually is storage and there's a bathroom in there. So there's a lot of space. So if you've got a bit of land or you just want to buy an extra home or kids or millennials, if you want to buy your first home, this isn't a bad option.
Joe, you could put one of those in your garden.
I could put a couple in, yeah.
Or even your garden at Palm Beach, John.
I don't have a garden. It's all just a swimming pool.
It's all a pool. It's all an infinity pool.
Scotty, great seeing you. Great questions this morning. Thank you. How was that?